designed to be easy, but the cost of making it easy is that it actually is very complicated underneath, and there are unexpected things that happen, like the variable scoping. Easy to make mistakes if you don't really understand how ColdFusion works with the request lifecycle, how error handling is happening, the default error pages and things like that, how variable scopes work, how the search order works. All these things, just by looking at the ColdFusion code, you have to understand how that works. Otherwise, you don't really know if there are vulnerabilities there. A lot of features in ColdFusion, quote-unquote features that are useful for debugging purposes, but open up holes because they increase the attack surface of the application, and those things should be minimized just like in any other application that gets deployed to production. ColdFusion generated Java classes are pretty ugly. If you've ever looked at JSP compiled down to Java, it's similar. It's just like, it blows up, it explodes like 10 times the original size because of all the ugliness that happens there. And then, if you come across a war or error or compiled class files in a server, when you're doing a pen test, you need to reverse engineer. Use our tool CFexplode to break them down into class files that you can then feed into JAD. And then, just generally, there's a lot of stuff there when you deploy an application. If you take like a single-page ColdFusion application, and then you just use all the defaults and you say build a war, you'll get like a 120 meg war file. It has all these servlet mappings and all the CF administrator and all these things turned on. So always strip out unnecessary components before deploying an application, and verify that they actually were stripped out before you put it out there. Here's our contact information. We have a blog, Veracode, where we sometimes write stuff. The white paper and presentation will be on the website, as well as probably the Blackhat website. The CFexplode tool is there on Google Code, and there's contact info for us if you want to ask anything afterwards.